So next here, I have a bisector, which means there's two equal parts, and not two equal parts. They're angles. Okay, how do I know they're angles? Because it's cutting an angle in half. I have another bisector, which is two equal parts. And again, they're angles because it's cutting an angle in half. So I've got to make sure I'm careful with this. So let's kind of walk our way through here and see what's going on. So I have AFE. AFE is over here. So that's my red one. So my two equal parts would be here and here. Okay, let's look at the other one. There's lots of different ways to do this in terms of what order you want to go in or how you want to set it up. So there are my two equal parts right there. All right, so there's my parts. Let's see if I can figure that out. So it says AFD and EFD. That's the red one. All right, so because bisect creates two equal parts. All right, and then I got my blue one. So that's going to go on this third line. It says because a bisector creates two equal parts. So that's going to be ADF congruent to angle EDF. All right. Then it says FD is congruent to FD. That has to be reflexive property. So anything is equal to itself. And remember, you can just choose to write instead of that. Reflexive property. So then it tells me something's congruent by angle side angle. Remember, this means congruent triangles. I want to match my letters up over here, so I'm just going to AFD. I'm just going to pick the first ones. F has to match up with F. D has to match up with D from the angles. Okay, the angles at F both have one mark in them. The angles at D both have two marks in them. So that means A and E match up with each other. So there's my triangles. So triangle AFD congruent to triangle EFD because of side angle side.